Hey there, welcome to this week's Mayhem in the Kitchen with Mary. This week we're doing pear tarts. This is very simple, good old southern recipe, and I gave you the recipe for the crust, but I cheated a little bit. Today I'm going to use a ready-to-bake crust. Same taste, same thing, great value, very cheap. So what I did is I took my crust and I pressed it down inside of a pie crust plate. And before I did that, I sprayed it so it wouldn't stick to the plate. Then I cut up pears in small diced portions, well not diced, but sliced portions, and I laid them in there in rows. And you can make it as pretty as you want, as fancy as you want. You can cut them all the same slices, but you're gonna eat them, nobody's gonna care, they're good. So then, in my bowl, I took 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, and that's it. I mixed it up, and this is my mixture. It's not going to be any like liquidy. It's going to be kind of a dry, powdery mixture. Then I take that and I just start sprinkling it into my pie plate on top of the pear slices. I sprinkle it all around, and I'm going to just fill it. And it's going to be, whenever it melts, it's going to be like a glaze inside of the pie plate. Then, after I'm finished, you're going to put it in the oven at 375, and you're going to cook it for about 45 minutes. And I have a picture of it whenever it comes out, what it looks like with the recipe on Facebook. And that's it, folks. You can add you some ice cream, some vanilla bean ice cream with it, and it is absolutely delicious for dessert. Hope everybody's staying safe, doing well, wear your mask, social distance, and I will see you next week on Mayhem in the Kitchen with Mary. Have a good week. Thanks.